Imagine stepping into a bustling mall. It's a place which offers something for every age group. Like adults can shop for all their needs at one place. Youngsters can watch movies or hang out at cafes. And kids can enjoy at the play area and game zone. The mall has it all. What if you can replicate this in investing? Franklin India Multi-Cap Fund that invests in different market caps. The fund aims to offer diversification across different market caps. Just like the mall, the scheme offers benefits of all the three market caps by investing across large cap stocks that are the market leaders, providing relatively stable growth with relatively lower volatility, could act as a backbone of your investment portfolio. Mid-cap stocks, which are the growing companies with the potential for returns. And then there are the small cap stocks, the emerging companies having the potential for growth. The fund has it all. Check out the performance trend of Nifty 500 Multi-Cap 50:25:25 index over the long term compared to the indices representing large cap, mid cap and small cap segments. The fund uses a three-factor framework to determine market cap allocation and aims to identify inflection points, create value through timely reallocation, maximize return opportunities. So, if you wish to get benefited when ek jagah jab saath ho tino market caps, invest in Franklin India Multi-Cap Fund today. NFO period 8 July 2024 to 22nd July 2024. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.